Good morning everyone again from all around the world, to all our members of C1 and Metaverse. And tonight, I will be sharing to you the updates or the preview of what the founder of Metaverse explained yesterday during our global webinar. Okay, so I will share my screen. And let's dive in into the PowerPoint that I made coming from the company, the Metaverse. Okay, screen now. Share. Okay. Yesterday we have the global webinar, together with the founder of Metaverse and Sir Raj, our network marketing director of C1, and they all discuss about the Metaverse Crypto Edition. Okay, let's read one by one what is written in it. Okay, the gameplay overview. It says here that get a package or LPC on whitelist spot, and then you will own needed assets to start the game. Because we have two packages, the elite package and the pro package, and these packages have the whitelist spot, which will be needed in the game. In large spot, buy new coins on pre-sales. And in the mini games, because we have ongoing mini games right now, play mini games for quick rewards. So we will see later the rewards. Then in the MCX or the Metaverse crypto exchange, trade listed coins on coin exchange. So the MCX will be launched on February 25. Okay. Then we have also the weekly leaderboard, grow portfolio and advance in the leaderboard. In the prize pool, we can receive USDC, Corbit, chips, packs, etc. So as I mentioned before, the crypto edition have the full price of 5 million USDT. But now they change it to USDC because some of the countries do not accept USDT. So they change it to USDC. Okay? And the $5 million prize pool includes USDC and Corbit. Maybe half half to 2.5 million USDC or 2.5 million Corbit. Maybe like that. Okay. Next, the Launchpad. The Metaverse Coin Launchpad serves as the gateway for early stage coins purchased within the Metaverse ecosystem during pre-sale. To participate in a pre-sale, a player needs LPC or Launchpad credits and a whitelist spots. So these two are needed. Okay, so to be in the game, we need the Launchpad credits and the whitelist spot. Each pre-sale is split into 4 rounds: pre-seed, seed, private, and public. Each round lasts from 1 to 2 days and requires a special whitelist spot. The higher the whitelist spot tier, the better price a player receives. So I got two gold, two gold and one bronze. So I already redeemed it and waiting for the reward that I will get from them. Next is the MCX or the Metaverse Crypto Exchange. The Metaverse Coin Exchange is the primary platform for trading virtual coins, enabling players to grow their in-game portfolios strategically. Coins pre-sold on the launchpad are then listed on MCX and become available for trading. Ayan. To trade on MCX, players need to have coins and or meta coins. So as you can see in the two packages that we will buy, there are allotted meta coins, in that package. The elite have 5,500 meta coins, while the pro package have the 1,000 meta coins. So that will be needed also in the Metaverse Crypto Edition. As a result of trading, the goal is to grow the portfolio and win prizes. Okay. Next. Weekly leaderboard. In the new game mode, we are introducing a completely reworked Crypto Edition leaderboard powered by a brand new lead-based system with weekly prizes. Participation now will require an entry fee in MC. Okay. There will be several leagues based on a total Crypto Edition portfolio value or net worth. For example, League Level 1 will welcome players with a total net worth of 0 to 4,999 meta coins. League Level 2 will be open for players with 5,000 to 19,999 meta coins and so on. There will be 10 league levels available after the new game mode launch. Okay, so that is the weekly leaderboard. Then next, in the leaderboard rewards, we have also changed the way players are placed in the leaderboard. So from now on, your position in the leaderboard will be calculated not based on your total net worth, but based on the P&L or profit and loss percentage, okay, for the given period of the league. The leaderboard league rewards are chips for the top places and league packs for all the participants. So that's the reward that we can get, no? In the if we can be in the leaderboard. Next, mini games. Okay. Mini games like the current coin race will be another fun element to engage players on a daily basis and reward them accordingly. Participation in the mini games will be limited in a number of attempts and will require some chips-based fee to play more. Important, coin race will offer prizes in USDC instantly. So as I played this mini game, we have a limited time only to play every day 10 times no that you can play in the mini games. But it says here that if you have the chips, you can play more, you cannot you can play more than 10 if you have the chips. So we will wait for these chips now because I don't know yet how it function. So we will wait for it now. Then next, the prize pool. Okay, this is the most important part of the Metaverse Crypto Edition. Okay, the prize that we can get while playing the game. The overall prize pool what players can win on a regular basis will consist of the following. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 8 prizes. First is the USDC prices and Corbett token prices combined. Then second is chips. Third is Metaverse game packs. Fourth is whitelist spot and LPC. Fifth, MetaCoins. Six is Crypto Edition Pro packages. 7, Crypto Edition Elite packages. These are the 2 packages needed, no? When you want to play in the Metaverse Crypto Edition, then we have the League packs. The prize pool will be announced every 4 weeks for the next 4 weeks. Okay, that's how the prize pool is, no? Are in the Metaverse Crypto Edition. Then next, launch timing phase 1. Okay. In the phase 1, the launchpad activation, February 18, no, which was yesterday. The launchpad will be the first major feature to go live, serving as the exclusive pre-sale hub for all new game coins before we hit the Metaverse Exchange for trading. To kick things off, the first 3 coins will be available for pre-sale with the following schedule. These are the 3 coins now. These are the 3 coins. Name Metaseed, Infinity Loop, and the, what's this? Pixelbit. Okay? These are the first 3 coins. Pre-seed round is during February 18 to 20, exclusively early pricing for Platinum Whitelist spot owners. Those who own the Platinum Whitelist spot, those who bought the Elite package have the Platinum Whitelist spot. So they are the first, no, to join on February 18 to 20. Then next is the seed round, February 19 to 21, wider access for early supporters with gold whitelist spots and above. So I have 2 gold whitelist spots, so I already activated this today. And we have also the private round, February 20 to 22, special access for members with silver whitelist spots and above. Those who have the silver whitelist spots and above. Then public round, I have also one of these, will open on February 22 to 25 to all bronze whitelist spots holders. Okay, so these are the 4, what we call this 4, launchpad activation, launchpad activation. Then next is the launch timing phase 1. Okay, the coin race mini game is relaunched on 18th of February. So yesterday they already launched, and I already also played this one. And the number 1 in the number 1 in the leaderboard will get the 50 USDC. No, so it's a matter of choice. No, what will you choose in the three coins there? And we have 10 attempt, 10 attempt to win, to win there. So yesterday, as I played the mini game, I only got two correct answer, to correct answer, no, in the 10 attempt. So I did not reach the top top 10. I'm top 154 yesterday. And today, so I will play again today. I hope that I can get more in the mini game. So the coin race mini game is launched yesterday. All the pre-sale rounds will start and end at 11 a.m. UTC following the above mentioned schedule. Because this is every day. Every day they will change the leaderboard. Okay. Then next, launch timing phases 2 and 3. Phase 2, Metaverse Coin Exchange, February 25. Okay, this is the important. You need to know also the Metaverse Coin Exchange that will be happen on February 25 plus launch of the weekly leaderboards. On this day, the Metaverse Coin Exchange will be officially launched. Following the launch, the first 3 pre-sold coins will be officially listed on MCX. Those three coins that I mentioned, these 3, will be launched. And officially will be listed on the MCX Metaverse Coin Exchange, making them tradable with MetaCoins. Okay, this marks the beginning of your journey to build your portfolio and compete on the bi-weekly crypto edition leaderboards. Take into account that when coins first enter the market, there is a lot of volatility and excitement. So make sure you utilize this to your advantage. Okay. We need to utilize our meta coins carefully, no, so that we can win the game. Next is the okay, this is the last one. Okay, to join the Metaverse Crypto Edition and be part of the pre-sale of the two packages that I mentioned, to have the meta coins and the launchpad credits and random whitelist spots, we need to buy these 2 packages. No, the elite package worth 550 euro and the pro package worth 110. And the pre-sale is extended until the 28th of February. So we have time, no? We have time to buy these 2 packages so that we can take advantage of the pre-sale and of the pre-sale that have the opportunity to have more assets in it that we can be used in the game. Okay, so that's all the preview. I cannot explain it well because I'm not the owner. But I got this PowerPoint yesterday during the meeting, global webinar, and I think that they recorded also that that meeting. Just wait for that. And also this presentation is recorded also in my YouTube channel, C1 Team Spartans International. So those who are not yet subscriber in my channel, you can go search in YouTube C1 Team Spartans International, subscribe there so that you will be updated every now and then to all the good news coming from our company, from C1, from Planetix, from Metaverse, from Travalia, and more companies to come in our company. So Again, thank you to all who will watch this video and learn from this Metaverse Crypto Edition, and see you on the top. Okay? Thank you, and see you again next time. God bless.